What's up, YouTube? And we are back with another video. Look, this edition is called Rise and Grind. All right, so I keep seeing like there's a trend going on right now, trending about YouTube small creators. It's crazy, right? Well, it's true. And I would say it's true and untrue. And this is my logic. These people have been using these hashtags that they're telling you to use and these tags for a very long time. They're already tried and true, but they're not tried and true for you. That's like to say that, so in that I'm saying that you cannot be a small creator, come on this platform and just use certain tags and hashtags and think that that's what's gonna flow, because it's not true. So what I would say is, through trial and error, even right now, that it takes consistency. Just using a certain hashtag or tag, it's a freaking myth. You have to have consistency. You have to have the thumbnails. You have to have the engagement. People have to want to engage with your video. Now, will it get you to a certain algorithm or a certain audience? Yes. But because you are such a small creator, you'll probably be at the bottom of that. So it's just pushing that other person further to the top that is telling you to tag certain things. Now, that is just what I personally see going on, because I see a lot of people with this certain title. I'm not going to say what it is, and certain tags. And I just want to put it out there that you have to put out the content. It has to be viable content that people are easy, accessibly to understand, and it makes freaking sense. Okay? So that's just the God honest truth. You have to put out content. If you don't have out, content or videos, what's going to make people trust that what you're putting out is working? Because obviously it's not working for you. Makes sense? Yeah, it makes a whole lot of sense. So what I would say for the people who are really trying to get started on YouTube is you have to make YouTube not a hobby, which is posting like when you feel like it, but a freaking habit and a job. Like, it gotta be what you love, what you eat, what you sleep. You gotta rise and grind YouTube. And that is why I'm out here at, let's see what time it is, 6:05 in the morning, grinding on YouTube. And this is at its most natural freaking form. It's pretty early. I'm a pretty early riser, so this is pretty it's pretty natural to me. So when you are posting, I would say if you really want to hard charge and go for it, post every single day. Is it annoying? Sometimes, but you kind of get used to it and form a freaking habit. You don't have to post these long form videos that people are watching 2-3 minutes out of. Check your analytics, like see how long are people watching your video, then post double. Post double of that. My strategy for posting content every day is because I post 7 days of content of one specific thing to see how it works. And then that opens me up to do other things. Making a video of long form, and breaking it down, it helps me out because then I'm able to post several videos very, very quickly. When I make a video, I immediately edit, so I'm not procrastinating. It can literally, it can harm you. Also, the hype of using what you have. I am a hard charger on using exactly what you have. However, I would say also, if you really want to take this seriously, you do have to eventually invest. Maybe not right now, but eventually you will have to invest, because how can you not invest in yourself and expect others to invest in you? That's just how I feel. You have to invest, because why work off of a phone which has distractions and it has, different social medias and you are tempted to scroll or do other things, check text messages, watch videos, listen to music, when you can just have a dedicated item that's helping you record, etc. So it eliminates all freaking distractions. That's why I would say that it's good to invest in yourself. Don't take money that you have earned and, earn money from this platform and invest in yourself. That's what I would say, dude. I would say if you are using tags that get you, say you're going 5 and 6 views, and then you use a certain amount of tags that get you 1K. Use them a freaking again, and use them every single chance that you get, including the freaking title. Turn that title into volumes or series, like you want to do what works for you. A lot of people say do what works. I'm rebuttaling that and saying do what works for you. This whole YouTube thing is trial and error, just like life. It's all trial and error. Do what works for you. Get out there. Look at what tags are working. Something that I would say do is download this program called vidIQ, but get the free version. And vidIQ, what it does, it'll actually show you the tags that people are not showing you that they're tagging to their video. So you can see hashtags in the comments all day, or some people you won't see, and you'll be like, how are they posting and being seen? Well, sometimes the tags are hidden. But, however, sometimes people are not using tags at all. So that's why I'm saying do what works for you. If you're the person that wants to get out there and grind and put out no tags and see how the audience gauges with you, audience, aka algorithm, is gauging and liking your content, do that. I'm telling you, you just have to get out there. When you show up and you make things a habit, things will show up for you. People will show up for you. That means get out there. When you see a comment of a person that took time out of their day to comment on your video, have the kindness to comment back. A like or a love of the comment, and then, comment back. As soon as you see it, this is how you get the algorithm flowing, saying, hey, not only are they pushing content, but they're actually engaged with the audience of the people that they're pushing their content to. When you post, now back on when you post. So I'm saying post every day. Is that a lot? Yes. If it's too much, don't do it. Do what works for you. So when I say posting every day, this is because it's proven that doing something every day, you will slowly get better and better and better and better. So you cannot tell me that posting every single day, somebody that's posting once a week, 3 times a month, is gonna get better at YouTube faster than somebody who's putting out the grind and seeing the effects coming back from the video. Do they have more time to focus? Maybe, and maybe they're putting out great videos one at a time. But I'm saying just worry about small things. These birds are freaking going crazy. Yeah, changing one thing every single time you post is better than trying to change it all at the same time. You're slowly learning, just like going to school. You're not learning everything in one day. You're slowly learning. And posting every day to the algorithm, you're slowly learning something. You're slowly learning about what tags are working for you, what titles are working, how people are responding, how the intros are working, different thumbnails, how to do the thumbnails. So again, I would say, making the thumbnails, learning how to easily design them and not overdoing it. Just making everything simple and easy and nice. So if you take a look at my thumbnails from when I first started to my thumbnails now, to me, I think they've improved. If you take a look at my videos from then until now, I think they've improved. And it went from editing of one video for 8 hours to editing maybe an hour, 2 hours, and pushing it out. Because once you push out that content, you're releasing that content and saying, you know what? whatever happens, on to the next one. I wish you well. You know, like, it's just good energy, and it's just letting it kind of like flow out. I would say, see what is working around on YouTube and make it your own, make it you, because people want to see authenticity. And that's just what it boils down to. Is it easy to just, you know, like go and copy somebody else? You can go and copy somebody else, but people may not watch your video because they want to see what the real video is. But I would say if you tweak it and make it your own, that's what you should do. Don't just like flat out copy, thumbnail, everything. Like, make it your own, make it you, and just see how your people engage with it. And I would also say, if you see that your people are engaging with one type of video, keep posting it. But if this is not all you want to post, also keep posting what you want to post, because this is your page, this is your time, this is your, you know, YouTube, and you're pretty much leaving behind, you know, little snippets of your life for, you know, generations to come. So thank you all so much for watching. Again, this is BJ. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, let's get it popping in 2025. All right, until next time, peace.